In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple daily planner in Notion. We'll keep it clean, quick, and effective so you can start organizing your day right away. First, open your browser and go to notion.com, click login and enter your account, then move into your workspace so you're ready to build. Inside your workspace, create a new page. This gives us a fresh canvas to design the planner. On the empty page, tap the / key on your keyboard to open Notion's menu, then type Table View. When you see Table View appear, click it. This creates a simple table which is perfect for tracking tasks. Next, we'll make the table more useful. Click Add Property and choose Checkbox. This will give you a quick way to mark tasks as done. Click the name of that checkbox property and erase it so the header is blank. Leaving it unnamed keeps the column clean and minimal, showing only the check marks without extra labels. Now move this checkbox column to the very first position in the table. Drag it to the left so it's easy to see and use as you work through your day. By default, the table starts with a property for text. Click that default property name and rename it to task. This is where you'll write what you need to do. Go ahead and add your tasks here, one per row, so you have a clear list to work from. To add timing to your planner, click Add Property again and choose Date. This gives each task a date field, which you can use to schedule when you plan to do it. Choose the dates for your tasks so each one has a clear target day. Finally, let's make the planner show only what matters today. Click Filter, then select Date. Choose the option Start Date is relative to today and set it to this day. With this filter, your table will display only the tasks scheduled for today, keeping you focused and preventing distractions from future items. And that's it. You now have a simple daily planner in Notion, complete with checkboxes, task names, dates, and a filter that keeps you on track for the day. It's straightforward, easy to maintain, and ready to use as part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.